Show what you got.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to today's video. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my favorite hair growth herbal shampoo using my two favorite ingredients. So first ingredient we have here is rosemary. You all know very well that rosemary is very good for hair growth journey. Oh yes. And the second ingredient we have here is clove, my favorite. You guys know already. So after mixing this together, I'm just going to go ahead and boil the two ingredients for like about 5 minutes or more to infuse the whole nutrient. Using rosemary on the hair stimulates growth of the hair follicles. It also improves blood flow to the scalp. It also helps fight dandruff due to it has an antifungal properties. So the next thing we have here is black soap. You can actually use any kind of black soap you want, but here I have my Ghana black soap. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut the quantity of the black soap that I am going to be using. So I'm not going to be using much, but I just need to make about like the one I'm going to use for like 3 wash or more. So here I have the quantity of the black soap that I am going to be using. So the next step, I'm just going to go ahead and pour the whole boiled ingredient into my black soap. So the next thing we have here is green tea. Green tea improves a lot of health, sorry, a lot of scalp health. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm trying to understand my own writing. So green tea helps to promote hair growth, guys. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my tea tree oil. Tea tree essential oil improves overall scalp health. It also helps to grow your hair longer. Like if you are trying to grow a longer hair, you should add tea tree oil to your hair growth journey. And the next thing I added was my castor oil, which helps to boost hair growth, hydrate and moisturize hair also. So I let the black soap to melt very well. It didn't even take long because the water was very hot, so it melted very well. Guys, while making this, make sure that you add a lot of oil, because using only black soap your hair is going to dry up and you wouldn't want that. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain out my black soap shampoo, or should I say my herbal shampoo. Like guys, if you use this shampoo, you are going to like it, because as you can see, it is very healthy for your scalp. Okay, so just try this is it black? I don't know why I keep saying black shampoo. Okay, yeah, it's black shampoo anyway. So I'm just going to transfer it into my container for easy use. So it couldn't enter into this container, but I am going to transfer it into another container. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how this black shampoo is foaming. Guys, like I don't know. Wow, you just need to try this out, guys. Like, do you know what it is using your favorite ingredient? Guys, you also know very well that cloves helps to fight dandruff. It also prevents itchy scalp. Yeah, guys, if you don't know that, just know it now. You can also do your research and see what this ingredient does to your hair. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and do my normal wash day and come back.
Words can't describe, no. The way that I feel when I'm with you, shawty, I've been closing my eyes.
So guys, I am done with my wash routine, and this is exactly what my hair looks like. My hair looks so clean, like I can even feel it within me. I know that my hair is well cleaned, like my scalp is well cleaned. Okay guys, try this shampoo, like you are going to love it. Imagine using clove, rosemary, tea tree oil, castor oil in just one shampoo. Guys, can you see my scalp? Like it feels so healthy. I can even feel it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner mix. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my hair butter and hair oil. That is all, and here you have your fresh hair. So after applying everything, I'm just going to allow my hair to dry. I don't like drying my hair with heat, so I always dry my hair with air because it is more protective. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair into a protective style, and that is just it. So guys, this is going to be the end of our today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, like, share, and I love you guys so much. Bye.
There ain't shit I can't tread though. Got this weight on